Hello, in this JavaScript video, I am going to cover the block scope. So depending on where your variable is actually declared, not set necessarily with a value, but declared, it will depend on where it can be accessed and what value it has when accessing it. So first of all, if I just create a simple function called epic func, sounds better than epic function. And let me just, just call this epic func. And if I create a variable called var epic num equals I don't know 789, doesn't really matter what the value is. It could be a string, could be a boolean, it could be anything really. If I do console.log and I'll try and print out epic num, let's see what happens. Yes, 789, not as expected. So if I copy this and put it down here, what happens? We get an error. It says epic num is not defined. And you might be thinking we've defined it here, and that's true, but as soon as you have these curly braces, the declaration, so anything that has var or let at the start and then a variable name, so the declaration line, is restricted within those curly braces. So this does not exist outside of these curly braces. Another thing, you can actually just put curly braces, I want to say for the sake of it, but just to limit scope within a limited scope already. So if I were to put some curly braces here, again, this will just execute as soon as the function is executed. Once it's done this line, you'll just execute this because it's not tied to a conditional statement or a function, but it allows you to limit scope. So if I were to do console.log, and let's say if I do console.log equals epic num, let's see what we get. So we get 789, 789. What happens if we do var or let? Let is just a little bit better because it just throw extra errors, so it just helps you write better quality code. And if I put 800 instead, and now if I run it, we get 800. But what happens if I do console.log outside of this, but still within the function, and I'll print out epic num, we get 789. Am I thinking, but we assigned 800 here? Yes, but we actually created another variable within this scope. And as a result, this is actually a whole nother variable. And that's just something to bear in mind. If we were to do it like this, however, it'll print out 800. Because it's not creating another one, it's just assigning it to the previous one. So that's just, scope in terms of JavaScript. There's similar scope in most programming languages. And it's a very powerful feature that allows you to create variables and just limit the usage of it to prevent any accidental usage where it could cause some harm and lead to crashes potentially. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next JavaScript video.